BIAP functionality. Adding a to-go remote control to a remote system via QR code scan. Launch the BIAP application and log in. Access the programming and diagnostic section and wait for data synchronization. Select the installation to which you want to add the remote control. Warning: the installation must have the ProUp active and configured for communication via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Wait for the automation status information to load. Open the side menu and select Add Remote Control. Choose the Scan QR code function. Alternatively, you can enter the information manually using the phone keyboard. Scan the QR code on the back of the remote control you intend to add. The serial number of the remote control and the type of radio encoding are pre-filled. By selecting Channel Association, you can modify the remote control information. You can assign a name to the remote control, add notes, and modify the button Channel Association. Press the check mark in the top right corner to save the information. Press the check mark again to store the remote control in the memory of the connected control unit. The remote control is now added. You can disconnect from ProUp by pressing the Exit button from the side menu.